I've been waiting for what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just what's now.
Hey my loves, it's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, L to the A to the L. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing another review. This is the second one. I am reviewing another human hair wig with bangs from So Lovely on Amazon. Okay. Yeah, this chica is 100% human hair. Okay. They gave me some lashes. Okay. And she is 18 inches in length and she's a natural brown, y'all. Okay. In the description, it states that the hair is version Brazilian with bangs. The density is 130%. Okay. So she don't really look all too full like once you straighten her, but if you have her in her wavy state, she does. But there's a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So you can get her to fit the way you need her to. She is a pretty nice, comfortable cap, so she should be good for you big head cuties. But we're going to go ahead and get sis on. Let's get it popping, get it crack-a-lacking. Let's see what it do. So this is what she looks like. What you're going to want to do, definitely brush her out. And you're going to want to slide the front of the wig cap as far back as you can. Like at the very, very, very edge of the very beginning of your hairline. That way you ain't got to do a whole lot of cutting of the bangs. And once you bump them, you know, you might need to nip a couple pieces, but you don't have to do a whole lot of cutting. You can leave the bangs kind of lengthy and it don't look like, you know, them bangs we had in the 80s where, you know, they was like super short, like 2 inches above your eye and we was looking cray. You don't want to look like that, sis. So yeah, just push it back and then bump the ends with your flat iron. I'm using my FHI Technique Pink Edition 1-inch plates flat iron. It's a professional ceramic tourmaline styling iron. I've had this baby for a while, but this is this chica in her natural state. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna nip a couple pieces of the bang that are like a little bit too long in the front, just a few. As you can see, I don't have to do a whole lot with those shears. And y'all, these are just some shears I got from Dollar Tree. But we're just going to comb the bangs down a little bit. And we are going to use our TGI bed head hair stick. It's basically just wax to secure down those flyaways. We don't want little Tweety Bird hairs sticking up at the top. We want to make them look, you know, look polished. Okay, so that's what the purpose of the wax stick is. And I'm just taking my little rat tail comb and going over the hair, if that makes sense to y'all, hopefully. And what I'm doing now, I'm going to use my new little Revlon, it's a curling wand, and I got this from Amazon as well. I think I had it on like 25, the heat setting. I think it was like 25. But we're just doing a curl test, okay? I want y'all to see how this baby works in every state. So she's wavy, she's body wave naturally, and she does curl. I'm going to do one more test curl for y'all so y'all can see that you can curl her. You can flat iron her straight as well. So you can wear her body wave, curl, or straight. Okay? Not bad, okay, to say that right now she is available for $61.99 on Amazon. Prices are subject to change, but that's her current price, which is good. Trying to save y'all some coins. We got a little water in this little silver bottle right here. I got this from Dollar Tree as well, this little bottle. But I'm just spraying some water. And the reason is because when you try to flat iron in the natural state, it's a little harder to get the little waves out. So I like to just go ahead, wet, you know, the hair and then blow dry. So I'm just showing y'all this is what she looks like wet. In her natural state, you would just let her dry wet, you know. But I went on and used my Conair bird blow dryer, and I used the comb on the end of it, and you know, just had to blow dry her straight. And then I am now going back over the hair with my FHI flat iron, and I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time like on the back or anything. The point of me doing this for right now, y'all, is just to show y'all the flexibility, like, you know, pretty much in the different styles that you can rock with this diva, which is not bad for $62, a human hair wig, you know what I'm saying, with bangs. But y'all, I think I look cute with bangs. Like, I used to hate bangs back in the day, but I think they look so cute. You have like endless possibilities with your styling options. The cap size is great. Ow. So y'all, this is her length straight. She definitely does look like she's 18 inches in length. She's right at the tatas. This is her in the back. Like I said, I'm going to go back over her and straighten the back. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put all the information below in the description box for you, just in case you're interested in purchasing. Please go follow your girl on social media. I hope to see you around on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. And share this video, my love. Sharing is caring. I'll see you next time. Love ya. Bye-bye.